What's going on, guys? Dave here, Anthem Off-Road Wheels. So I am the social media manager for Anthem Off-Road Wheels. I like to think of it kind of as a customer experience. So I purchased the truck you see behind me. It's a 2015 Chevy Silverado 2500. It was completely stock, used and abused when I bought it. So the lift kit is a 6-inch super lift kit. I've been on this kit really for just a couple days, and I can tell you that it rides, I think, better than it did when it was stock. It's a super smooth kit, and I'm absolutely happy with it. I've tried other lift kits on previous trucks, and the truck looked beautiful when it was sitting still, but I hated driving it. I'm getting ready to start a 20-hour drive back to San Antonio, Texas in this, on this 6-inch lift, and I am looking forward to it. It rides like a dream. So tires are 35-inch BFG KM2s, super smooth, super quiet, easy tires. It's got a very aggressive, meaty look to it. Very happy with the way the tires came out. And we put those tires on a set of our brand new for 2020 Anthem Intimidators. Intimidator is one of my favorite wheels that Anthem has ever released. It's got that smooth lip around the outer edge, and then really clean lines on the wheel. Which makes it super easy to clean, just wipe down and go on about your day. I think what I really like about this Anthem Intimidator is that we put the Anthem branding on the spoke instead of on the top and bottom of the wheel. So it's just something a little bit different that you don't get to see in a whole lot of Anthem wheels. Amp steps, now that it's lifted up 6 inches. I'm 6 foot, but still have to jump inside the truck, so those amp steps sure help. So the truck is outfitted with a Diamondback cover, so that thing is a beast. You can park 1,600 pounds on top of it. Then I also contacted a local company in San Antonio, Texas to have my headlights and grille painted to match the truck, so we got rid of all that chrome. In the process, we put on the T-Rex grille inserts and put on a set of Road Armor bumpers front and rear to really tie in that kind of black and dark gray theme of the truck. And performance-wise, not a whole lot, just the Gibson exhaust and a edge tune on it, so it helps a little bit with the lift and the bigger tires. I love being part of the Anthem team. I hope you keep sending in those pictures, keep posting those videos, and I love interacting with you, so please keep doing it. I'm out.